AC Schnitzer, a renowned BMW tuning company, has finally released its aero and performance kit for the BMW M3 Touring. The kit is designed to enhance the driving experience and performance of the vehicle. The engine tune has increased the power of the 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six to 590 horsepower and 553 pounds-foot of torque. If you opt for the Step 2 tuned engine, you'll get a power increase to 610 horsepower, while the torque remains the same. The kit comes with AC Schnitzer's signature exhaust system, known for its loud and deep tone, as well as its pops and bangs, which are typical of aftermarket exhausts for turbocharged cars. Visually, the car has been given the signature AC Schnitzer treatment with new carbon fiber front aero bits, including a front splitter and canards. The front hood indents have also been given a touch-up with carbon trim pieces that give it the appearance of functional scoops. At the back, the new carbon fiber bumper insert houses the quad carbon tipped exhaust pipes, and the new rear lip visually lowers the rear end of the car. A rear roof spoiler has also been added, which not only adds a touch of downforce but also enhances the sporty look of the vehicle. AC Schnitzer offers its various wheel designs for the M3 Touring, with this specific car sporting a set of black AC3s. The wheels are complemented by either of two different suspension kits: a simple lowering spring kit, which lowers the ride height by 10 to 15 millimeters on the front axle while keeping the rear axle stock height, or a fully adjustable coilover kit. The suspension kits help to improve the handling and stability of the vehicle,